am coming back to you with another Couture mystery box unboxing. Now, I was trying to wait to do this maybe tomorrow, along with another mystery box that I'm getting from another company, but my daughter knows there's something in here for her, and she knows what it is, and she wants to wear it, so let's see what's in it. So that said, the one part that I ordered, and I know what it is a necklace for my daughter. So let's see what's in here. This is a Ouija board box. Oops. All right. So the first thing that I see, it's a key hanger or anything hanger. Maybe I could put my running medals on there, necklaces, whatever. It's awesome. It's got that little hanger thing at the bottom. Ouija board. So what else is in here? So this is what I ordered for my daughter. It is a name necklace, sort of like the one that I got, but she wanted it to be black with red blood dripping off of it. So there we go. And her name is Melissa. Melissa? Melissa? You want to see it? No, but it's okay if I see your reaction on my video. So you want to take a look? Come into my shop.
Oh no, I know what that is.
Yeah, you look cute. This is my daughter Melissa, and as you can tell, been there a little bit because you might be out the camera shot. She is a horror fiend as well. She got Freddy stuff on all, and she wanted to wear this today.
This is so cute. I love it. Definitely wearing today.
Yes.
I wish it was a white shirt, that way it would pop.
Yeah.
So this is cute.
She wanted the dripping blood one versus the one that I had, which is all blood versus a black background. All right, so the second item that I got in my Ouija box is a pen. This thing is freaking adorable. It's made of wood, and it's got the stuff on the back to the clasps on the back. It's too big for me to wear my hat, which is where I usually wear my pins. But I could wear it up in here, up on my chest somewhere. All right, so that was in the first box for my Ouija board. My daughter's necklace, which I already knew about, and then that pin. I have a couple more boxes in here. We've got a Ouija board pin. Which I love. Oh, we have two necklaces. Definitely have to put my hand behind this one because it is mirrored. It is a Ouija board. I'm assuming everything's going to be Ouija board because this is a Ouija board necklace. And then this one has like a rubber necklace. And there it is. Adorable. So I have one box left. I didn't think I'd have this much stuff. And here is her logo sticker. And then I thought I would be done with 2 boxes. But I guess because my daughter's pin was in one of them, alongside with another pin. All right, so this is the last box. And we have here, a keychain. I don't know how she makes these, but it's awesome. Take a look at it again. And then, this is awesome. This looks like a sort of like a safety pin, but it's got a skull on it. So it's just sort of like a pendant type thing. But it is actually shaped like a safety pin, and it's a keychain. And then finally, I didn't even put on a ring today, so it's a good thing that I got a ring. So this is my Ouija board ring. It is adjustable, in case you were wondering. This is what it looks like on the back. And yeah, so that's what I got in my unboxing. I'm sorry, in my mystery box, or Ouija mystery box. I want to say shout out to Winnie and Walt, who saw my unboxings and placed an order because she thinks this stuff is awesome, as I do. So let's recap. We had the keychain. That big hole in there is probably going to make it not keychain. The ring. This other keychain. I'm going to have all kinds of keychains. This other keychain. We had the big old Ouija board. My daughter took the necklace and left because she was wearing it today. She couldn't wait to get it, actually. The box came in yesterday. And I didn't unbox it yesterday because I just really wasn't in an unboxing mood. Plus, I'm waiting for this other box. So this morning she says, "Yeah, didn't unbox it, did you?" So I had to unbox it really quick before I get to work today. This other Ouija pin. We had yet another Ouija pin, but this one's like a button pin. And then finally, the two necklaces. One is longer than the other. So this one's pretty long. I can actually wear it with what I'm wearing today, although I'm wearing Frankenstein stuff today. I don't know if you can see it. My Frankenstein necklace from, I think it's Little Black Bats. And then my Frankenstein shirt. And then this last Ouija board necklace. So that's it from the amazing Couture. And I will be ordering again. I'm probably going to take a second to breathe off of it because I'm sure you guys are probably saying enough of Couture. Or maybe you're not. Maybe you're just saying that stuff is awesome. Get me some more. Unbox some more. I don't know. But either way, I definitely will be getting more. And then this is the card. All right, guys, that's it from Couture and all the amazing stuff. I will talk to you guys on the next one.